Morning guys, today is not a Harley day. It's going to be I'll show you in a second here, one of these days. So I'm going to do a little video. We're going sea-dooing on Georgian Bay. That's the relics there, taken by son-in-law Joel, and probably hit Henry's, the fish place, for lunch and tour around Georgian Bay. So stand by. Landed here in the water, put the sea-doos in. Joel's over there getting ready. First time to be on the bay on sea-doos, so we're going to take them around, show them some spots. Cloudy a bit today, but nice. I think it's around 20 degrees out and stuff, so it's not the Harley, but it's something different. So you either watch it or you don't have to watch it. Let's take off here and down the water. There he is. Have at her. First time on the bay in the sea-doo. Bumpy here. All behind us. Harbor. Very sound harbor. Coming up to the swing bridge. This goes over to an island, and it swings around any large boats or sailboats, or the island queen boat go through here. Here is probably waiting for it to open up. I think it's a certain time it opens up, so it's too high to go underneath it. Good day. Stop here in Echo Bay, it's called, just before San Souci. It's a little channel. Lots of boats usually come in here and park for a weekend or whatever. So mine's, I don't think it's going to go too far here. clear water. Don't see any fish though. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Guy's got a Super Cub in here in Echo Bay. Looks like it's pretty nice shape. Probably a little tricky getting out of here, I'll tell you that. Much cleaner. Right? Yeah. Strange looking rock. They have campsites down here too. Here's an old place on the bay down. We're down by Woods Bay right now, and this place has been here for years and years. Old stone fireplace. I think it's still being used. Yeah, a couple of barbecues up there. Pretty neat. Old stone piers. But they put some kind of a form over there for some other building, but never ever finished it. So. Oh, I see. There's a stone fireplace up there, so they're going to build around it. Pretty cool. Old building, eh? That's the old foundation up there by the look of it. We started but never finished. At the famous Henry's restaurant on Georgian Bay. Boat or plane access, as you can see. A couple of planes are in there. Maybe a 185 and a Beaver by the look of it. New building going up there. Way to get here anyways, eh? Yeah. Fairly old Beaver, but all redone. Good shape. And up there's the restaurant. I'm not too busy, So we just got here at Henry's parked, and gonna grab some lunch. A few boats in here, a few other boats out there, airplane coming in way over there. Henry's. Planes over there again. The deck up here.
If you're only listening to the pulse in your car, you're missing.
Two?
That's what it said.
Probably it. Everybody being seated, tables. There's my fish on a bun. That doesn't look like hydro. first. Coming in here.
Well, really? They have a spot. Yeah, there's a spot up back. Huh.
Trying to eat this. Messy. Ooh. Messy. Okay, leaving Henry's. Had lunch. Good lunch on the bay. Can't get any better than that. Did you get full, Joel?
Hey?
Did you get full?
Oh yeah.
Hey?
There's a bean.
Let's see. Looks like the airplanes are getting ready to take off. Oh yeah, you had beans too, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh,
For
beans.
later.
For later, yeah. Oh, look at that. That's nice, eh?
That boat there. When you buy it?
Oof. Fed your money. I just have the old Sea-Doos. So we're gonna just saddle up here and head out, like I always say on the motorbike. Oh, Joe's gonna burn off the calories by looking at it. And the helicopter just landed right up in there. You can't see it maybe, but it came in while we were eating. Somebody said he came from Toronto. Pick it up. It's going through, it's called Indian Docks. Channel here that goes up into 5 Mile off the Georgian Bay. And our little buddies behind us there. Usually you go through here on a fairly sized boat, good sized boat, but looks like it's pretty shallow. Still going. See where it's nice and shallow. Little tugboat. Coast Guard base. One of their big ships are in. The smaller one down there. It's where they're stationed out of. Sometimes there's ships in here, sometimes there isn't. Samuel Risley. Oh, there you go. Pretty cool, eh? That's the harbor there where the bigger boats are parked. Park overnight, or some of them have slept year round. wharf. There's a bunch of restaurants down here. Like I say, Georgian Bay Airways. Gangster boat over there. 4 motors on the back of it. Tailwinds Restaurant. Another airplane dock. Got a lift on this one. Very nice. Just heading into the marina, load back up. And yeah, good day. Pretty warm. Around 23, I think it was, temperature wise. And first time for Joel to be out on the bay on the Sea-Doo, so I think we had a pretty good time, and we'll get her into the marina here and load her up. Good day. All loaded, ready to go back home. Good day. All done up. Make sure it's all hooked up here. All good.